Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For work I will use 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. You can choose any color and any crochet hook. And in this video tutorial you will see how to crochet easy to make pattern. Basic tall stitch, such as double treble crochet stitch. For this pattern you just need to know how to make double treble crochet stitch, boolean block stitch, chains and single crochet. My pattern consists of 3 stitches and has 2 rows. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, could be found in the description of this video tutorial. And please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. You can crochet only one part of this watch and create your own personal project, or you can use this pattern like a main pattern. Let's get started crocheting. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. My foundation chain is ready. Let's crochet the first row. It is going to be a row of single crochet. Make a chain, insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook, make single crochet and make single crochet into each stitch of the previous row and make single crochet into each stitch of the foundation chain. Pattern consists of 3 stitches. I will repeat my pattern 5 times in a row, so it means I will use 15 stitches for my stitches plus 2 stitches for more beautiful look. Continue. So my foundation chain consists of 17 stitches. Pattern consists of 2 rows. Here what I have. My row is ready. Let's crochet row 2. It is going to be a row of boolean block stitches. For this, make chain of 5 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. So my boolean block stitch, base it on double treble crochet stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop to the level of the chain. In total it should be 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop like this, then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. I'm not pull it. Then insert the hook into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here what I have at this point. My cute stitch is ready. Let's repeat one more time. So my boolean block stitch consists of 5 strings. around the double treble crochet stitch. Yarn over the hook 3 times to work with double treble. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through loops on the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch. Let's count. Pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The second stitch is ready. Let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook 3 times. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's count strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am done 3 stitches. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this row with me. Once I have done the last stitch, yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the last stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. My row 2 is ready. Let's crochet a row 3. I have got a row of woolen block stitches based on double treble crochet stitch. Next row will be a row of single crochet stitches. In your case it could be double crochet or half double crochet. Make a chain to undo work. Insert the hook into the stitch. There is the chain. They are the chains to bring up the yarn. I insert the hook into the thread. I insert the hook into the first chain stitch from the top. Make single crochet. 1 and 2. And let's repeat one more time. I insert the hook into the first chain stitch. One, 2, and 3. Let's repeat 1. So keep working this way till the end of this row, then I will show you how to complete it. I'm about to complete row 3 of my pattern. Make the last single crochet. Insert the hook into the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the 5th chain stitch, or this is the first chain stitch from the top. Don't miss this last stitch. I have done 3 rows. Pattern consists of 3 stitches and has 2 rows. Let's repeat my woolen block stitches. It is going to be row 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains to bring up the yarn, turn the work, yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Let's make the strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. I do not pull it. Insert the hook into the next stitch, and let's make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Let's repeat my stitches, and now I will show you how to complete my row. Yarn over the hook 3 times and work with double treble crochet stitch. Continue. Yarn over the hook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All done. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch and make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the fourth one. In total it should be 5 of them. Yarn over the hook, make double treble crochet stitch, and make strings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To finish this row, work with double treble crochet stitch. Make a chain, turn the work. As I did before, make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and don't forget about the chain. 1, 2, 3, and continue. 1, 2, and so on. And don't forget about the last stitch. Then you should make it into the 5th chain stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you should repeat these 2 rows as many times as you need for your project. So that's it, my project is ready. It consists of 2 rows and has 3 stitches. My boolean block stitch based on double treble crochet stitch, and boolean block consists of 5 strings. You can use such pattern to create your own personal project. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't miss new video tutorials. It was Maria from Crochet Fashion. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!